When we open an Excel file, we'll see a couple of tabs are on the top, like File, Home, Insert, Draw, and so on. And each tab there is a ribbon. Like right now, it is Home tab. When any tab is selected, then it will be underlined like this. If we select other tab, it will be underlined like that, like Data right now. So here, under each tab there is ribbon, and each ribbon is different for each tab. Like for Data, we have this type of ribbon items. For Insert, different one, and Home also different one. And if we want to add any item or any of this option which will work often, we can also add inside this area. So suppose for example we are working a lot, for example format as table, this option we are working. So right now we have to click here, and then it will open this type of menu. From here we have to choose add to quick access toolbar. If we click here, we'll see a new icon is added over there. Now if we choose any of the tab, still we'll see it is over there. So in this way we can add any item inside this tab, inside this area, which we used to work very often. Now if you want to remove it, we can right click and we can choose this option, remove from quick access toolbar, and it will be removed. Now let's go to the home, and here it is the home ribbon, and right now it is by default. When you install Excel, it will be like this. You can customize this tab and ribbon area also. To do any customization, we just need to right click, and then it will bring this menu. From here we have to choose customize the ribbon. We have to click here, and then it will bring like this. And this side we have this many options are there. We can add each of them inside, like we can choose this one and we can add, it will be added over there, and then that menu will be added in this ribbon. So in this way we can actually add as many items we need to add inside this ribbon. If we complete the addition of each of the item which we need very often, then we can click OK button to close this window. I'm not going to add anything, that's why I'm going to press this cancel button, and that's it. In this way we can start working with Excel tab and ribbon, and we can also customize the ribbon items. And if we want to add some item over this area, we can also add.